Namaskar students, welcome to GDCA College channel. I am Dr. Ashok Jogdan. Today we will check the part 2 for account paper for GDCA with rectified video we can say, and as well as there is no musical background, nothing will be there. So straightforward with clear voice, as well as in this video we will check the patterns and exam strategies as well for particular subject, time management and everything. So in this video we will check everything from end to end. We will check remaining questions in this video. So without wasting time, let's get started.
ध्येय नवीन समोर दिसतंय, बँकिंगचं स्वप्न पूर्ण होणार.
GDCA ची साथ जिंकायची ही वाट, यशाची गॅरंटी आता सुरुवात. GDCA कॉलेज
हो भविष्य उज्ज्वल,
GDCA कॉलेज
मिळणार यश.
सहकार आणि बँकिंग करिअर घडवा खास. GDCA कॉलेज देते यशाचा विश्वास.
So here in this video, we're going to see remaining questions for account chapter. These are the rectified video actually. So previously in last video, we saw true or false last question. In this, we will check 8 chapter, fill in the blanks and complete answer. To understand in better way, we have made a table, and in this table, answers are given and fill in the blanks. Dash discount is not shown in the books of account. Trade discount. Gross profit ratio is equal to, here formula asked actually. So gross profit divided by sales into 100. Good distributed as free samples as in expenses of dash dash, that is advertisement. Capital account is dash dash account, personal account. The amount of dash dash check is not paid in cash, cross check. Cash account is dash dash account and bank account is dash dash account. Cash account is real, bank account is personal. Dash dash means evaluation of social performance of an organization, social accounting or social audit. Bank overdrafts is shown on dash dash sides of balance sheet, liability side, that is credit side of balance sheet. In balance sheet, it is not credit side, it is liabilities and assets. Accounting standard AS 22 deals with dash dash income tax. Assets are generally divided into dash dash and dash dash assets, fixed and current assets. Dash dash is a total of debit and credit balances of all accounts, trial balance. Expenditure on purchase of machinery is dash dash expenditure, capital expenditure. Net profit ratio is equal to net profit dash dash into 100. That is net profit divided by net sales into 100. Trade discount does not appear in dash dash books of account. Contingent liabilities should be shown in dash dash note to the accounts. Profit and loss account and balance sheet of cooperative society be prepared in dash dash form. Prescribed form N. Final account should be prepared in dash dash days from date of year ending, that is 120 days. Donation of scholarship fund is dash dash revenue expenditure. One on whom bill is drawn is called dash dash ROI. Donation fund is shown on the dash dash side of balance sheet, liability side. When dash dash ends, dash dash starts, debit side, credit side, or year end we can say. When debit side ends, new year starts likewise. Okay. Entrance fees should be transferred to admission fund or a reserve fund. Cash book does not show dash dash balance sheet, credit or overdraft. Goodwill is dash dash and dash dash asset, intangible and fixed asset. Next, chapter 9, match the pairs, complete answers. Accounting standard. What are the exact topics and accounting standards? So AS1, disclosure of accounting policy. AS2, violation of inventories, cost or market, whichever is less. AS6, depreciation accounting. AS9, revenue recognition. AS10, accounting for fixed asset. AS13, accounting for investments. AS16, Borrowing cost, AS22, accounting for taxes on income. Then general accounting match pairs. What are the general accounting match pair? Here we saw the accounting standard AS. Okay. So here again, trade discount does not appear in our books of account. Cash discount recorded in books of account. Drawer, person who draws creates the bill. Drawee, person who accepts the bill. Goodwill, intangible fixed asset. Cash account, real account, always debit balance. Interest account, nominal account. Ashok's account, personal account. Father of computer, Charles Babbage. Hollerith, inventor of tabulation machine. Discount received shown on the credit side of profit and loss account. Discount allowed shown on the debit side of profit and loss account. Grace date, 3 extra days allowed for payment of bill. Accommodation bill, no grace days allowed. So in this, we're going to see chapter 10 is of exam strategy for account and how can you score maximum by using this method, time allocation. So for question number, which is actually a compulsory question, we can say, and always compulsory. So final accounts will be given, and from that we have to calculate trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet for 30 marks. And time you should give max 55 minutes, not much more than that. Attempt first for the highest mark. Then question number 2A or question number 3 will be of BRS, that is bank reconciliation statement. That is for 10 marks, and you should give at just 15-20 minutes, not much more than that for the BRS. Attempt second easy, guaranteed marks. Then question 2B or question 3, that is depreciation machinery account. That is for 10 marks. As I told you, here you will get 50 marks already if you calculate properly. For 20 minutes, you should give for depreciation and attempt third. First attempt final account, then second BRS, and third depreciation, that is machinery account. Okay. And it is most of the time formulaic question. Question number 3, question number 4, bill of exchange or cash book. For 10 marks, 15 minutes, not much more than that. Attempt 4. Question number 4, short notes on any 4 out of 5 or 6 for 16 or 20 marks, 25 to 20 minutes. Choose easiest 4 topic. Question number 5A, true or false with reason, 7 to 10 marks. That is for 10 minutes. Attempt all questions, no choice here. Question 5B, fill in the blanks or match the pair for 7 to 10 marks, and you should give 8 minutes. 8 to 10 minutes, not much more than that. Attempt all question for quick marks. Final reading and final revision, you should give at least 10-12 minutes for first 5 minutes paper reading you should go through, and then in next 5-7 minutes check everything is proper. Answer presentation rules. How can you present your answer? Start each answer on new page or clearly mark question number and underline it. Then for practical questions, write given or required or solution clearly, for the final account question, BRS and machinery account. So for these questions, use proper format to for debit entries and buy for credit entries. So these are the format you should use. Show all working notes. Marks given for correct method even if answer is wrong. So that is the main reason. Underline key accounting terms like gross profit, depreciation, balance sheets. And for theory answers, numbered points are important than long paragraph answer. So write one by one all points. Then leave left margin on every page. So margin should be there for left side of the page. Avoid overwriting. draw a single line through errors and rewrite neatly. Final balance sheet must balance both sides. If not, double check and correct it. Next, true or false, always write with the reason. Extra credit will be given for that. How to impress examiner? Use correct terminology, provisions for doubtful debts, not bad debt fund. Okay. So doubtful debts is the main word you can use. Depreciation, not wearing away. Working notes, not rough work. Always mention working note. So this is how you can write. Write proper account names in full, not abbreviations like CDB or likewise. Always include narration in journal entries. For short notes, definition, 1 or 2 liners, then 4 or 5 numbered points and conclusion is important. So at least 1 liner. So this is how you can write your short notes. Present balance sheet with neat columns and proper headings. Circle or box your final answer, gross profit, net profit, and BRS final balance. 7-day revision plan for you for account subject. Day 1, suppose Monday, if you plan study from Monday. Day 1, Monday. In morning, you should do final account format plus all adjustment rules. In afternoon, solve 19 to 2022 question 1 paper. Then revise balance sheet format and target master in balance sheet or final accounts. Day 2, Tuesday, suppose BRS plus rules in the morning format revision. Then in the afternoon, solve 18, 20, 22, 23, 24 BRS. Evening, CICP memory trick practice and score 10 out of 10 in BRS. Day 3, FIM and RBM. FIM, that is SLM, straight line method, and RBM means written down value method. Formulas plus change of method in morning session. In afternoon, solve machinery account for 17, 20, 24, 25. Working notes practice and masters in depreciation question. Day 4, bill of exchange in the morning and all journal entries. Then afternoon, solve bills 17, 19, 24. Evening, bill specimen practice and target is master in bill of exchange. Day 5, cash book format plus journal entries in the morning session. Write 8 short notes topic afternoon. And evening, bullet key points words and target theory plus cash book. So this is the table format actually for the 7-day revision plan. Then day 6 in the morning, all ratio formulas plus 2 calculation examples. Number 2, that is in afternoon. Compile all true or false answers. Then evening, fill in the blanks, match the pairs, and score. Quick score topics are important here. Your target should be. Day 7. On day 7, that is Sunday, full mock paper attempt 3 hours for 3 hours. Then afternoon, check all answers. In evening, key formulas, last revision. And target will be full exam simulation. Last hour, quick revision checklist. Trading account, opening stock, net purchases, direct expenses, net sales, closing stock. Profit and loss account, indirect expenses includes depreciation, outstanding and RDD, indirect income. Then balance sheet, capital plus net profit, loans, creditors, fixed asset, closing stock, debitors, cash. Then BRS, starting balance. Add checks issued and not presented, CICP, direct deposit. Less deposits not cleared, bank charges. So this is the memory trick actually, quick revision. Depreciation, FIM cost into rate of percentage, rate in percentage. RBM, that is written down value method. RDV into rate of percentage. All accounting standard AS1 policies, AS2 stock, AS6 depreciation, AS9 revenue, AS10 fixed assets, AS13 investments. 5 ratios: GP ratio, NP ratio, current, liquid, stock turnover. So these are the ratios. Last are revision points for account. Chapter 12, why student fail and how to avoid. So to understand in better way, we have made table for this particular part where student do mistakes and the solution actually. Not applying all adjustments in final account, how it cost marks, lose 10 to 15 marks in question 1. So solution: tick each adjustment after applying use checklist. Then next, mistake: balance sheet not balancing. Is the effect. Examiner deducts all balance sheet marks. Suppose for 10 marks, if balance sheet is there, will deduct 10 marks. And solution: recheck all 5 adjustment, verify each calculation. Wrong treatment in BRS, add instead of deducting. So wrong final answer always. And then solution: use CICP memory trick. Think logically about each item. Using original cost for RBM depreciation. Wrong machinery account for year 2. RBM always use written down value, book of value. No narration in journal entries. 0.5 or 1 mark lost per entry. Write brief narration in brackets for every entry. Short notes 75 words. Only partial marks awarded. So what is the solution? Count, aim for minimum 100 words per short notes. Skipping questions due to time. So in short notes, as I told you, you can write like definition, then the main point and the conclusion likewise. Skipping question due to time. Lost marks for skipping questions. Attempt easier question first and distribute time properly. Not showing working notes, method, marks lost here. Always show working notes for depreciation, BRS and ratios. Writing account for balance sheet. Format marks deducted. Balance sheet is a statement, not an account. Okay. Not reading adjustment properly, wrong application. Read every adjustment twice before applying. Chapter 13 will be about short topics and top 20 questions. What are the top 20 questions? Sure short 100% probability, final account from trial balance with 5 adjustments, 30 marks, BRS 10 marks, depreciation machinery account FIM 3 years, sales at end for 10 marks, true or false with reason 7 to 10 marks, and fill in the blanks 5 to 10 marks. Very high probability. Short notes on depreciation, short notes on revenue fund, short notes on verification of assets, bill of exchange, journal entries, dishonored or renewal, a simple cash book preparation. High probability, 70 to 80%. Short notes on management accounting, short note on cash flow statement, ratio calculation, 5 types. Match the pair accounting standard, journal entries, credit sales, payments, bank transactions. Never skip these 80-20 strategies is very important here. So these 3 carries 50 marks and are asked every single year. Final account 30 marks, bank reconciliation statement BRS 10 marks, depreciation machinery account 10 marks. 50 marks are here already. So mastering in just 3 topics gives you 50 marks, and at short notes 20 marks plus true or false 10 marks, and then all equals to 80 marks. You will pass with the distinction in account. Here, as I told you earlier, these are the important topics which will be coming in the examination. final note for your GDCA success formula. We can say for the account paper. 5 steps to success in GDCA account paper. Step 1, master final account, trading account, profit and loss, and balance sheet, 30 marks every year. 2, masters in bank reconciliation statement for 10 marks every year. Masters in depreciation / machinery account for 10 marks every year. Prepare 6 to 8 short notes topic, 16 to 20 marks every year. Revise true or false and fill in the blanks, chapter 7 and 8, 15-20 marks every year. Follow this guide plus practice daily because without practice you can't make it. Write mock answers and then your guaranteed distinction will be there in accounts. So this is how you can solve the account paper. So these are the formula and tricks are very important in account. So as I told you, account is not my subject, but theoretical part I can explain you in better way. So if you have any question in theory part, you can ask me. But in calculations, little bit, no, I won't be able to guide you in proper way, but still I'll try to do that. So trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet is very important. BRS, again, I'm telling you, bank reconciliation statement is important. Then depreciation machinery account is also important. Okay. So make sure that you will do and you will practice. Practice is very important for account. Okay.
That's all about part 2 of GDCA paper number 2, that is account with rectified videos, we can say, or questions and everything. So we just have seen formats and everything, as well as the time management part, the strategy for 7 days, for a particular paper and everything. So this is how you have to solve. So if you have any questions, queries, do call us. We'll help you with the possible solutions, because as I told you, accounts is not my subject. So that is the reason just I am unable to explain you in detail. Rest of the theory part, I'll explain it to you in proper manner, so there won't be an issue. So whatever questions you ask or comments you will give us within 24 hours, you will get response for particular questions. So there won't be an issue at all. If you want more information about our other courses like open schooling courses, you can contact us. We can help you out with that as well. I hope you like this video and found it informative. So please like, subscribe to channel, and comment your valuable feedbacks, whatever feedbacks you have. So we'll see you in next video with more updated information on another topic. Till then, namaskar.